Hello everyone, today we will quickly understand the goals of asthma therapy and the role of beta 2 agonist in the treatment. So first of all, the goals of asthma therapy are long-term control of asthma, reverse airway obstruction, prevent airway inflammation, decrease intensity of symptoms, decrease frequency of symptoms, prevent future exacerbations, minimize limitation of daily activities. Beta 2 adrenergic agonist. They relax airway, smooth muscle, and cause bronchodilation. So we use them for quick relief of the symptoms as as an adjuvant therapy for long-term control. There are two types of beta 2 agonist: short-acting beta 2 agonist and long-acting beta 2 agonist. The short-acting beta 2 agonist SABA. Their examples are albuterol and levobuterol. Their action is rapid within 5 to 30 minutes and duration is 4 to 6 hours. We can use them for acute bronchoconstriction and bronchospasm relief. All asthma patients should have a SABA inhaler as needed. We should remember this thing that the SABAs are not the anti-inflammatory and they should not be used as monotherapy for the persistent asthma. They can cause side effects like tachycardia, hyperglycemia, hypoglycemia. They can cause side effects like tachycardia, hyperglycemia, hypokalemia, hypomagnesemia, and skeletal muscle tremors. Second are the long-acting beta-2 agonists, which are going to be used for the long-term control of the asthma, and examples are salmeterol and formoterol. They have the long duration, more than 12 hours, and they can cause prolonged bronchodilation. LABA cannot be used as a monotherapy. They are contraindicated as a monotherapy. They must be used with the ICS, mean inhaled corticosteroids. Now we have to talk about the inhaled corticosteroid. These are the first line drug for the long-term control. They reduce airway inflammation and they main controller therapy in the asthma. When we are going to combine them, there are three main drugs that we are going to use: SABA short-acting beta agonist, LABA long-acting beta agonist, and inhaled corticosteroid. SABA for the quick relief, we can use inhalers. LABA for the long-acting with the ICS, and the last one ICS, which are anti-inflammatory in action. For other drugs, watch the next video.